Elon Musk has just crossed a line that most powerful people avoid, and the implications are serious. He publicly linked Donald Trump to Jeffrey Epstein in a way that raises questions the Department of Justice never fully answered. This wasn't speculation or commentary. This was a billionaire with government, contracts, and access to sensitive information, putting specific claims into the public record, claims that should have triggered federal scrutiny years ago. What Musk revealed points to timelines, associations, and records that were never part of the official Epstein investigations. These connections allegedly predate Epstein's 2019 indictment, his death in federal custody, and the eventual closure of inquiries into potential co-conspirators. From a legal perspective, that omission is impossible to ignore. Prosecutors don't just look at accusations. They look at patterns, corroboration, and what was deliberately left unexplored. The Epstein case was handled by elite federal prosecutors with subpoena power, cooperating witnesses, and access to financial and travel records. Yet certain names never appeared in charging documents. That gap matters. Epstein died in August 2019. The investigation into his network slowed. Ghislaine Maxwell was later convicted, but the broader client list remained sealed. The public never got answers. Musk's statements changed the equation. Whether intentional or not, he's creating a trail that future prosecutors cannot simply dismiss. When someone with direct access to documentation makes specific factual claims, that becomes potential evidence, not opinion. Evidence doesn't expire just because an investigation was quietly abandoned. Now comes the institutional problem. Trump is once again president and controls the executive branch, including the Justice Department. Prosecutorial independence is compromised by design. That doesn't make the evidence irrelevant. It makes accountability harder. History shows this pattern before. Powerful figures remain untouched until political protection disappears. Organized crime cases, corporate fraud scandals, none moved forward until prosecutors had both evidence and independence. Right now, independence is the missing piece. This is bigger than Musk, Trump, or Epstein. It's about whether the justice system can function when power itself is implicated. If credible evidence exists and no investigation follows, the message is clear. Some people are beyond scrutiny. Watch what happens next. Silence, deflection, or personal attacks will tell you more than any official statement ever could. The rule of law isn't theoretical. It only exists if it's enforced, even at the top.